Dear students, today we will look into Cambridge Assessment International Education Science Stage 9 Paper 1 2023 paper question 5 here. Okay, question 5. Mia investigates displacement reaction. So this question is related to displacement reaction. Okay, basically a displacement reaction means a more reactive metal will displace, more reactive metal will displace a less reactive metal from its compound in solution. So in her first experiment, she put some iron sulfate solution into a test tube. So basically they use a solution of iron sulfate in this case and adds a piece of zinc to the iron sulfate solution. Record if a displacement reaction takes place. So the displacement reactions of metal with iron sulfate depend on the reactivity of the metal involved. So iron sulfate is a compound consisting of iron and sulfate ions. So when a more reactive metal comes into contact with iron sulfate here, it can displace ions in the compound, leading to a new metal sulfate and the formation of iron in elemental form. So now Mia repeat the experiment, but this time with different metal. Look at the table showing Mia's result from the first experiment. When you look at for metal zinc here, so zinc with iron sulfate. So zinc is more reactive than iron. So when zinc is added to iron sulfate, a displacement reaction takes place. So that's why it's listed here, yes. Okay, look at the second one for magnesium. Magnesium is more reactive metal than iron as well. So when magnesium is added to iron sulfate, a displacement reaction will take place. So yes. Okay, now when we look at for copper here, copper is a less reactive than iron, so it cannot readily displace iron from iron sulfate. So no displacement reaction occurs between copper and iron sulfate under normal conditions. So no for here. And iron for iron sulfate, there's no any reaction will take place when you put iron into iron sulfate. Okay, so the reactivity series of a metal actually helps in this case. It helps to predict which metal can displace another from a compound. Usually, metal higher in reactivity series can displace, like metal zinc or magnesium, higher in reactivity series can displace those lower in series from their compound. So this is the compound. Okay, this one we'll finish with our prediction now. Complete the word equation for the reaction between zinc and iron sulfate, since there's a reaction take place between zinc and iron sulfate. So just write zinc here as a reactant and iron sulfate. So now in this case, zinc can displace iron from iron sulfate from zinc sulfate plus iron. This shows there's a displacement reaction take place. Okay, look for C now. Mia replaces the iron sulfate solution each time with a new sample. Explain why Mia does not use the same sample of iron sulfate each time. Because when we use different metal this time, we need to replace new iron sulfate. Because we already used up the iron sulfate in the first reaction. So iron sulfate is used up in the first reaction. Okay, now we will see how this experiment works for this question.
I'm forgiven, I'm a villain, I'm forgiven, I could get there, I'm forgiven, I'm a villain, I'm a 시대로 기억될 unforgiven. Yeah, what you want, ripping on me, get the face, wanna shut me up. 사냥감을 거듭해, 찾는 warriors. 너의 게임에 난 문제 없어, such a freak, 고치가비. Let me do polyceraphin. 내가 제일 싫은 건 내 근데 물림. 어둠 속 불을 켜, match your rebellion. We gonna keep breaking rules, gonna give up. Unforgiven, yes, I was giving 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 내 스타일로 living 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 내 방식까지 원 없이 또 한국말로 아주 철없이 Get started, let's get started 미래 그 앞에 새겼던 나의 소리 신념이 지면 난 villain